Hey guys, this is Dami here and I'm back with another video. Guys, I know, stop it. Dami, your hair. What happened to your hair? What's going on with your hair? Give us the details of your hair. That's what I have come here to do. Guys, this video is in partnership with Better Length Hair. You guys know already, my fave. Better Length specializes in natural clip-ins, natural textured hair for black girls if we're being honest, 4B, 4C, 4A, 3A, 3B, 3C, all the hair types they genuinely have, so check them out in the description box below. So they sent me a pack of their Kinky coarse clip-in set in 18 inches, and it basically resembles blown out natural hair. So it's their kinkiest blown out hair. So if you guys don't already know, this is how the Better Length package looks, and in it comes with 10 wefts. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I install all 10 clips into my freshly blown out hair, and really just let you guys know what Better Length has to offer. Yeah. And then I'm gonna give you guys my review, because at this point I've actually had the hair in for about 2 weeks. I just wanna let you guys know the usability, the longevity, because clip-ins are clip-ins, so can it really last that long? We'll talk about it. Without further ado, like and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so these are the clips freshly washed. As you can see, there is curls in it. I think those curls are in it to give it the blown out effect after combing it out. So I combed it with a Deadman brush to really make sure those curls are separated, and the texture came right back. So this is me with my freshly blown out hair, and I'm just gonna start installing the hair. My goal is honestly to install all the clips and really just see how it looks. This is my first time using this. So I start with the back, and I always start with 3 wefts, and I always talk about the head shape. Guys, do not start with 5, the back of your head, because your back of your head isn't the longest. So I start with the weft with 3 clips, then I put in the wefts with 4 clips, then I put in the weft with 5 clips, and then I go back again with 4, 3. So it's kind of like a pattern for me. I really find this really helpful to get that natural look. You don't have to start curving your clips, and you can just put it directly on your hair in straight lines, how your head is shaped. I also want to show you guys that I'm not putting these wefts on my scalp. I am attaching it to my actual hair, and that way I'm not pulling, that way my scalp doesn't hurt, because at the end of the day, I'm trying to keep these in for as long as possible. As we start getting closer to the top of my head, I start putting the clips closer to the sides. So from one side as far as it will stretch, and the next time I use the clips, I start from the other side, giving it again a natural full look all around. We all have that hair sometimes that can look back heavy, but we want this to be well rounded. Now we're getting really close. I only have the clips with 2 wefts left, so at this point I have 6 wefts in my hair. We want our hair to flourish in these styles regardless of our hair being out. So again, do not put the clips directly on your scalp. Put it on your hair, thank me later. Now for that last one, I'm just gonna make a middle part to really just get my hair to cover the wefts. And that's really it. Guys, this is all 10 wefts in my hair. What do you guys think so far? Is it giving coming from your scalp? Is it giving natural galore? Is it giving confuse them? Is it giving step on their necks? What is it giving? What is it truly giving? Okay guys, yes, so that is all 10 wefts plus my hair. Volume, voluminous. What else am I giving you guys? The words aren't coming. Please comment down below what I was trying to give you guys with that hair, because it was quite a lot. So like I said, at this point, it's been about 2 weeks since I've had this hair in my head. So I really want to give you guys the pros and the cons. You guys know how much I love their kinky coily hair. That one, like, to die for. This is very different, right? It's more for blown out hair. So as you can see, there might be a few issues. It's obviously giving me length, something that the curlier hair doesn't really give me. So all that aside, we're gonna get right into the pros and the cons of this hair. I have it written down because I can't forget. So a pro is that it shipped really fast. From the moment they told me that it was coming to the moment that it actually came, it was like a week. So if you need this hair last minute, you know you'll order it and it's not gonna take a month to come. Okay, a con is that at the end of the day, they are still clip-ins, right? So you can't actually have these clips attached to your head for a very long time. I had it for a max of like 4 or 5 days at one point, and then my head started not to hurt, but my scalp started to feel a little bit tender. And you guys know I don't put it on my scalp, period. So imagine if I had put it on my scalp, I would probably have to take it out that same night. But because of the way I put it on, I was able to go 4 or 5 days without actually readjusting the clips. But like we know, it's still clips. A pro is that you clearly do not need all 10 wefts. They give you way more hair than you even need. In this style, I have what, 7, maybe 8? Like there's so much more that you do not need. So a con could be the price. It's $169 plus tax, shipping, a little over $200. I don't know, converting that to CAD. Do you know what I'm saying? So really consider how long you plan on keeping the hair for. If you're only gonna wear it once, it is very expensive for clip-ins. But if it's something that you're gonna keep for 2, 3, 4 years, which is something that I will, then it really is an investment? What? I didn't say that. Okay guys, another pro is how soft this hair is. I actually like it after having it in for a week. When I first got it, like it was like, whoa, like so soft. I'm like, how is this gonna blend in with my hair? But as time went on, like it's still very, very soft, but it's more like natural textured. And because it's so soft and it's not super, super curly like my real hair, washing is a breeze. All I have to do is wash it with some conditioner, use some conditioner to deep condition it with, rinse it out, use a little bit of argan oil, Moroccan oil, run it through, and it's giving, and it's done. It's done. I barely even have to detangle. It's not a whole thing. I also just want to talk about the texture. So as you guys can see in that video, my hair was freshly blown out. At this point, it's been 2 weeks. I've washed my hair. My hair's not stretched anymore. What I did is after washing my hair, I braided my hair. I just braided my hair regularly and then I just twisted it to bed, and then that's how I was able to achieve this style. If anything, maybe I'll dye this hair a little bit darker because you guys can kind of see that it's giving brown and my hair is giving dark brown, and this is giving like another color that isn't my hair. All in all though, guys, I really do see this hair as a great investment. Obviously, I know it's not an investment, but I understand the fact that this hair will be used. The fact that you can apply heat to it, the fact that it is so versatile, the fact that I can curl it, the fact that I can do different styles with it is absolutely amazing. The fact that only the perimeter of my hair is out and the rest of my hair is protected, but I'm still giving natural, I'm still giving scalp, it's not something that you can get from a lot of brands. I really do like this hair, and I'm really excited to see what other styles I come up with and different ways that I use the hair. I'm gonna try to take pictures and post, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely check it out. That's where I'll be doing a lot of the fun stuff with it, because you know, it takes a lot to film videos and I can't film every style all the time, because a lot of the times when I'm doing something for the first time, I am winging it. Like I am just going off vibes, and it's not until I perfect it then I can show you guys, because I really want to give you guys my best. If you guys are not already subscribed, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. You guys know what that means to me. All the Better Lengths information will be in the description box below, as well as a promo code so you guys can get some money off. Please use my promo code if you want to get some money off. And I think that's it for today. Stay tuned for next week when I show you guys how I use this hair to do 4 more styles, like literally 4 different styles. I really want to let you guys know the versatility of this hair and the things you can do. Fun fact, if Better Length didn't send me this hair, I probably would have bought it myself anyways, because this hair is fire. Yeah. Let me be your woman.
Hi,
I see you. Love you.